I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing bird cage that's in wonderful condition, both cosmetically and mechanically. The top bird, I really like the color combination on this. And this is an earlier example dating to 1967. It has blues, reds, yellows, also some browns, and it has a mottled feathering scheme to it, which I really like. And then the classic red bird. Fully serviced the mechanism, so it plays exactly as it should. Let's hear it play, starting off on the pause feature. There's a nice long pause indicating that the bellows are absolutely perfect. We'll wait. The long pause, bear with me. All right, let's move to continuous. The birds animate perfectly, opening and closing their beaks, flapping their tails, rotating their heads, and their entire body also rotates as well. They sing with full voice, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Turn it off here in 1 second. So in summary, a vintage Reuge double singing bird cage in absolutely gorgeous condition. Take care.